iba pang balita, nilinaw naman ng Malacanang na walang kinikilingan ang pagtulong ng gobyerno sa mga lugar na nasalanta ng bagyong Yolanda. Tugon ito ng palasyo matapos lumabas ang isyong nagkaproblema umano sa pagitan ni Rehabilitation Czar Panfilo Lacson at Mayor ng Tacloban City. Ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, ang pagiging patas ng gobyerno sa pagtulong ay makikita sa nakaraang taon.
We have always been of the position that any area that has sustained damage or loss of life from Yolanda will always be extended assistance. It does not matter who the mayor is, the governor is. I think we've proven that in the past year that we have been trying to rise up from the damage of Yolanda, that we have always been ready to extend assistance.